Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NCLH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action perspective, but absolutely massive volume. So a lot of eyeballs watching it, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching it going forward. And that's what brings about this first little comment here that I'm going to make. This level that I'm about to put into play here, right here at the $11 mark, is by no means some sort of great discovery on my part. I'm not trying to portray myself as having a special skill. Quite the opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of this $11 mark, and everybody is wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's exactly what we have going on here with $11. You can see that on essentially 3 separate occasions today, the price got down there, but the bears can never push through, so the bulls stepped back up. The buyers held strong, but on the same time, while all this was going on, there was very clearly downwards pressure, essentially the entire day long, represented by that downtrending trend line right there. So in other words, for those of you that are maybe more so visual with the technical patterns, this is what we would call, and this is very a crude drawing, this is what we would call a bear pennant pattern that is formed after today. Now, just because it's the bearish pattern does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going downwards. My point is I don't think anybody would exactly be shocked now at this point to see the price crack down through the $11 mark. And in the event that does happen, that next key level of support, which again, no such thing as a guarantee, but a high volume break of that $11 mark, I don't think anybody would shock to see the price go down to at least $10.70, if not even lower than that. On the flip side, though, if the price does start to work its way back upwards and get a break of that red trend line right there, next key level of resistance would then be that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200-period moving average, currently valued just shy of $12.50. But yeah, very bearish here going forward with the bear pennant, and we'll see if the price ultimately gets the break to the downside or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.